Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming both your playback device and target cast device are powered and on the same Wi-Fi network. Once ready, open the YouTube app or go to YouTube. Com on your phone or laptop and sign in if needed. Look immediately for the cast icon in the video player or at the top right. Tapping it shows connected devices. Tap the icon now to reveal casting targets and pause here before changing any device settings so you don't interrupt playback. Once you see the cast menu, tap the active device and choose Stop Casting or Disconnect to end the session. This severs the link instantly. If a smart TV keeps reconnecting, switch inputs or open the TV's YouTube app and select its settings to disable casting or sign out. Make sure to also check the mobile app's permissions. In Settings apps, YouTube disable local network or nearby device access if available, since that prevents automatic discovery and future casts. To finish, sign out of your Google or YouTube account on any shared TV or public device so your phone won't auto-cast. Next, in your phone's app settings, disable nearby device scanning or local network access for YouTube. This blocks device discovery. If casting persists, restart the phone, router, and target device, then update YouTube and firmware. If problems continue, factory reset the TV app or clear the YouTube app cache. That one troubleshooting tip, restart and update, resolves most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.